In this video, we're going to make a slight variation to the uh, the payment formula to figure out the total amount that was paid over the term of the loan, meaning we're going to figure out what was paid in principal and in interest. So to figure that out, we're going to take the total number of payments and we're going to multiply it times the monthly payment. I'm going to use my TVM solver here to help me figure out some of this. We already figured out how to figure out monthly payment by hand, so I'm not going to do that in these problems. So we're going to have monthly payments over 16 years. So we're going to have 192 payments. So I need 192 times my monthly payment that I'm going to come up with here. And the interest rate is going to be 7%. And the loan amount is $35,604. And I'm going to solve. And so we're going to call this times 308.76. I'm actually going to let the calculator do that for me. If I come in here, I'm just going to say that I want my variables and I want n times PMT. I'm going to come up with the total amount that I pay back there is going to be 59,282.06. So that gives me the most exact answer here for my problem. Now let's do that again for this problem. And we're going to have the TMV solver again. And we're going to have 30 years, so 30 times 12. Interest rate is 8.5%. Present value is 155,807. We'll calculate the monthly payment here. I'm going to go back out to my home screen and pull up that same calculation again. And we're going to come up with, this time it's 431 to 87.57. And for this last one, we're going to have 25 times 12, and interest rate is 4%, $120,000. And one last time, this is going to be 190,021.26. All right, that is it for this video. That's the most accurate way to do with that or with Excel, so that they calculate all the decimal points in the payment and multiply them out and get the most exact total amount of money that you owe. And this is how they'll prorate your payment at the end. If you round up like we were talking about last time, they'll take and see how much you've paid and subtract it from this amount, and they'll calculate your final prorated payment so that you don't overpay on your final payment. All right. Next time we'll come back and we'll figure out how much of these payments that we made went towards principal and how much went towards interest.